Today we have brought you a vehicle so extraordinary that the moment you see it, your heart will say, if I don't own this, I haven't truly owned anything. In today's review, we are showcasing a full-size luxury SUV that doesn't just make an entrance, it makes a statement. And yes, we are talking about the magnificent GMC Yukon Denali. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, press the bell icon so you never miss an update, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Now let's dive into the experience. The Do Safar Do Chhe GIGAME Yukon Denali is not just a vehicle, it is a symbol of power, prestige, and premium craftsmanship. From the very first glance, it commands attention. When you look at it from the front, the bold chrome grille instantly grabs your focus. The design is muscular yet refined, aggressive yet elegant. The LED headlights are sharply sculpted, giving the SUV a confident and modern face. The hood lines flow beautifully toward the windshield, creating a powerful road presence that feels both luxurious and dominant. Move to the side, and you immediately notice how perfectly proportioned this SUV is. The long, strong body lines stretch smoothly from front to rear, giving it a premium silhouette. The large alloy wheels enhance its stance, making it look ready for both city cruising and adventurous journeys. From this angle, the Yukon Denali doesn't just look like an SUV, it looks like a statement of success. Whether parked or in motion, it has an unmistakable authority. Now step toward the rear, and you'll see that the designers didn't hold back. The LED taillights are sleek and modern, stretching wide to emphasize its bold width. The rear profile feels solid and luxurious at the same time. When you open the power liftgate, you'll discover a spacious cargo area that easily handles luggage for long family trips, shopping hauls, or weekend adventures. This is truly a family package in every sense: comfort, space, and practicality all in one. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Yukon Denali typically comes equipped with a powerful V8 engine designed to deliver smooth acceleration and strong performance. The engine isn't just about speed, it's about confidence. When you press the accelerator, you feel the power respond instantly yet smoothly. It's engineered for highway cruising, city driving, and even light off-road adventures like sand or rough terrain. While performance is impressive, it's important to note that this is a large luxury SUV, so fuel economy reflects its size and power. However, for those who prioritize strength and refinement, the balance feels just right. Speaking of performance, this SUV can accelerate strongly and comfortably maintain high highway speeds. It offers stability and control, making long drives effortless. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections smoothly, ensuring that passengers enjoy a relaxed and composed ride. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Yukon Denali truly shines. The moment you open the door, you are welcomed by premium leather seats crafted with attention to detail. The stitching, the softness, and the overall finish reflect high-end luxury. The front seats are spacious and supportive, perfect for long-distance drives. The second and third rows provide generous legroom, making it ideal for families. The dashboard is modern and technology-focused. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits proudly in the center, offering connectivity, navigation, and entertainment features. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable driving information. The steering wheel feels solid and premium in your hands, equipped with multiple controls for convenience. Ambient lighting enhances the cabin atmosphere, especially during night drives, creating a calm and luxurious vibe. Driving this SUV in the city gives you a sense of confidence and class. People notice it. The elevated driving position allows you to see the road clearly, while the quiet cabin isolates outside noise, giving you a peaceful driving experience. On highways, it feels stable and composed, and even when driving through challenging conditions like sandy paths or uneven roads, it handles surprisingly well for its size. At night, especially in black color, the Yukon Denali transforms into something even more striking. The LED lighting signature stands out beautifully in the dark. As it moves through city streets, it radiates luxury and sophistication. It doesn't just blend into traffic, it dominates it. Now, let's address pricing realistically. In the United States, the 2-GIGAMEGACOULOMB Yukon Denali typically starts in the premium full-size SUV range, often around $70,000 or more depending on features and configurations. In markets like Pakistan, after import duties and taxes, the price can rise significantly into the luxury vehicle bracket. So while it represents excellent value for its class, it is positioned as a premium investment rather than a budget option. But here's the key point: when you purchase a Yukon Denali, you are not just buying transportation. You are buying presence. You are buying comfort for your family. You are buying advanced technology, safety features, performance capability, and a name that carries weight. This SUV is built for those who want more than just a ride. It's for those who want an experience every time they start the engine. From the bold front grille to the spacious rear cargo area, from the powerful engine to the luxurious leather interior, every angle tells the same story: strength meets sophistication. In conclusion, the 2-GIGAMEGACOULOMB Yukon Denali stands as one of the most impressive full-size luxury SUVs on the road today. It offers commanding design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and family-friendly practicality, all wrapped in a premium package. Whether you see it from the front, side, or rear, whether you experience it in the city or on the open highway, it consistently delivers a sense of pride and satisfaction. If you're looking for a vehicle that makes you feel like you're driving something truly special, something that turns heads and elevates every journey, then this SUV deserves your attention. The Yukon Denali is not just a model, it's a lifestyle on wheels.